Practical AI and cloud made clear. AI will happily answer every coding question you have for free, instantly, forever. So, why do so many people use it for months and still can't build? Because answers aren't skill, skill comes from a loop you control. This is the roadmap I'd give a beginner today. Week by week, free tools, 5 habits that make the AI a teacher instead of a crutch. If you follow it, in about a month, you'll build something that's genuinely yours. The mental model that makes everything else work. Treat the AI like a senior developer who answers anything but never checks your understanding. A senior dev who hands you code and never asks if you read, it creates a dependent apprentice. A senior dev who makes you explain the code back creates an engineer. The tools stay the same, the habits decide which apprentice you are. 5 habits, 1 roadmap. Let me show you the single highest leverage habit: read back. After the AI writes code, you don't accept it. You make yourself explain it. What does this line do? Why the structure? What breaks if I remove it? Even when you're wrong, the act of explaining exposes what you don't know, and that's the learning. In this session, watch the difference. The first answer gets used blindly, the second gets read back, and the question it surfaces is exactly where the growth happens. 30 seconds of read back per answer, and you'll be a different developer in a month. Week 1, build 3 tiny apps: zero theory, a countdown timer, a to-do list, a quiz. Free tools: Copilot free in VS Code, or Replit in the browser if you don't want to install anything. The rule: finished beats perfect. Ship all 3, even if they're ugly. The point of week 1 isn't the apps, it's the loop: describe, run, read, repeated 3 times until it's automatic. By Friday, you should be able to explain your to-do app without looking at it. That's the whole goal of week 1. Week 2, build one app you actually want. Not a tutorial app, a real problem. A budget tracker for your spending, a workout logger, a tool for your side hustle. This is where motivation gets real, because it's your problem. Use the same loop, but now you're driving. You decide the features, you ask the AI for pieces, you integrate them. The habit to add this week: 1. Why? Question per session minimum. About the line you understand least. The answers are the tuition. Week 3, break it on purpose. Take your week 2 app and remove a feature, delete the save button, break the timer. Now fix it yourself before asking the AI. Struggle for 10 minutes. Then ask the AI to review your fix and compare. This exercise is the reality check. It shows you exactly what you actually know, and it builds the debugging muscle that no amount of copy paste ever will. If it takes you an hour, perfect, that hour is worth more than a week of watching. Week 4 and beyond, build a real project publicly. Ship something useful, even a small tool for your team or your family, and share the link. Public shipping is the graduate test. It forces you to handle real users, real errors, real edge cases, and it gives you feedback that tutorials never will. The habits stay the same: build small, ask why, read everything, but now the stakes are real. One project shipped is worth more than 100 lessons watched. 1 month, 5 habits, and the arc is complete. 3 tiny apps, 1 app you want, 1 break and fix, 1 public project. The AI never stopped answering, but you stopped being the passenger. That's the roadmap. Build with AI, keep your judgment. Subscribe for a practical AI breakdown every week. Zero hype, just what works.